This is a very interesting session because it talks mainly about dialogue, and dialogue is the main responsibility of diplomats because through dialogue we hope to spread peace in this world, and because the alternative of absence of dialogue is unfortunately war. So for us to avoid more wars in this world, we have to promote dialogue, dialogue inter-religions, inter-cultures, and inter-nations. Yeah. So this was a very interesting session.